كان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. हाय खल्को अस्सलाम वालेकुम। यूके आ गए हैं, जर्नी शुरू। घर में फिर वहाँ भी बिज़ी, यहाँ भी बिज़ी। 3-4 दिन तो आराम से गुजर गए, पर अब फिर काम शुरू। तो कल तो सारा दिन इधर उधर बैंकों के कामों में, ये वो जो फॉर्मेलिटीज़ होते हैं इस मुल्कों के, वो किए। और आज मैं जा रही हूँ लेस्टर। मेरे दांतों का अपॉइंटमेंट है। कोई डेंटिस्ट है जो मेरे साथ कोलैबोरेशन करना चाहती है। वो मुझे बॉन्डिंग करना चाहती है मेरे दांतों का, और चाहती है कि अगर मैं लाइक करूँ तो मैं उसको पोस्ट करूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे, ओनली इफ़ आई लाइक इट। और फिर मेरा स्टनर्स लड़कियां हैं, आपको पता है मैं हमेशा अपने बाल उनसे बनाती हूँ, लेकिन मैं अपने बाल हमेशा स्टनर से बनाती हूँ और दे आर अमेजिंग। ये बर्मिंघम में है। फिर मेरा अपॉइंटमेंट उनके साथ है, क्योंकि मैं पाकिस्तान जा रही हूँ खान पापा को मिलने, तो लश पश जाना चाहती हूँ। अच्छा, फिर उसके बाद मैं ब्रेडफोर्ड जाऊंगी सीधे इंशाल्लाह। आज बहुत ज़्यादा सफ़र है, पहले लेस्टर, फिर बर्मिंघम और फिर ब्रेडफोर्ड रात रहूंगी सुमैया की तरफ, क्योंकि सुमैया कह रही थी कि जब भी वापस आओगी पाकिस्तान से, सो मेरे साथ रात रहोगी। सो नाउ इन इंग्लिश, today is a long journey for me. I'm going to fix my teeth. So I don't know, my teeth is okay, a bit yellow because I drink so much coffee, but there is a big dentist company, Dr. Noura. She want to fix my teeth, and in return she say if you like it you can post me on Instagram. So inshallah, she's already a very big dentist company or whatever practice, but you know what, the doctor is amazing, and she did Nafia teeth, and I love it because someone did it for Maliha and I really don't like it, but Nafia teeth, I love Nafia teeth. It looks so real, good, shining, beautiful. So I really want to do it for Mr. Khan. So first I'm gonna go to Leicester to see Dr. Noura for consultation. Then I'm going to Birmingham to see my beautiful girl from Stunners, and as you know, they always did my hair for me. So I'm gonna have a bob cut and dark color this time, because my hair is bleached, and even these girls did a very good job, but I don't like these frizzy hair now anymore, and my hair is naturally curly as well. No curly, but wavy. So I want to sort it out my hair, then head to Sumaya, stay night over there, and then tomorrow inshallah I go appointment again with my favorite girls, Dr. Amina and Tasmiya, for my loads of treatment as a I'm gonna have a skin peeling, always, and I'm gonna have inshallah pedicure, manicure, massage, facial, loads of treatment. So inshallah, see you. And our beautiful Noura is here, and look how much she lost her weight. So last time when I met her for Nafia teeth, she was chubby, honestly. And look at her, she looked like 18-year-old. Farah, we need to copy her, okay? Both of us need to copy her. But last time, maybe you guys remember, I posted just a little clip of Noura clinic. The clinic and this clinic is like, वो हम कहते हैं ना, ज़मीन आसमान फ़र्क. Yeah, बहुत फ़र्क. Farah knows Urdu, guys. So yeah, this is beautiful. I show you outside as well, but look at all the facilities here. I'm here now, and Noura's doing my scan, which is really new technology. Noura, can you explain to my YouTube family?
So we're doing a scan of your teeth. So it's going to show a 3D model. So it's showing here as we scan it. It shows like a 3D map of your teeth, so we'll show you it later as well as it comes through. So that's the lower teeth, so this is like a camera. So it goes in like this, and then it maps it. There it is. So it's showing like a map of your teeth, how they look now, with all the colours and everything else. Here it is, and it shows on the screen there. You can see it.
Before, and then in my next vlog I will show you the after it as well, okay? So before and after, and you guys can compare what's the difference, okay?
Exciting. Okay, so turn around. This is so much easier. Or do you like it this way? It's up to you, so you can see it. It's just so you can see this.
Okay. Oh my god. I really don't want to see this. Look guys, okay? So instead of X-ray and everything, this is a new technology. This is my whole jabra, my mouth.
We will take an X-ray, but it's a different X-ray that you know.
It's like a proper scan, isn't it?
So this is like a picture, photographic, let's say, model of your teeth. So we got, see here, we got bridges in the back, which we're not going to deal with. It's fine.
Okay.
But then here, the teeth in the front are a little bit worn down. You know, they're a bit, you know, because of their position and everything.
Yeah.
So what we can do is we can whiten them, like here.
Okay.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can put bonding. First of all, it will close up the gaps, it will even them up, it will make them more symmetric, all of that after we whiten them first.
Yeah, okay.
So it's really nice. See, when we get them done, they will look really even. They will
Inshallah,
look really nice,
yeah.
Inshallah, and all of that.
Yeah, I'm in safe hands.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. My teeth look disgusting.
Not anymore. Not anymore. They're not disgusting. They're okay.
So let's see what
can make them
Dr. Noora gonna a magic in Dr. Noora hand. So let's see how this magic work out.
Yes.
I have to show you this beautiful girl. I really like her. So she's Farah is Dr. Noora nurse, but I don't know.
Yes, I am. Yeah, the head nurse.
She's even more beautiful to me because she likes me. So before it was only Noora, now it's 2 people. Actually, it's 4 people.
Yeah.
So 2 outside on reception. They say we like you as well, so I go for it. Take me to the X-ray room now. So they're gonna take my whole jaw X-rays in Noora.
Yeah, so that we can show because you got bridges, so we want to make sure that your the roots are all
so it's just one teeth X-ray. So it's actually the full jaw.
This is going to be the full.
Yeah.
Right. That, yeah.
Okay.
You're going to hold onto these. Yeah, your chin's going to be on there. You're going to bite onto this. 1 second, Auntie. Go back a little bit. Let me show you. Let me show you. Pop your hands on this side for me.
Okay.
You know this little dent here. Bite onto that. Pop your chin on there. Bite onto the little dent. Put back. Yeah, yeah. I'm going to bring it forward a bit. I want you to bring your feet forward until you touch my foot. More forward. Keep going, keep going. That's it.
Her to hold the handles.
Hold on to the sidebars for me, Auntie.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I see. And I'm just going to check everything is okay. So there's a little thing here I'm going to move. And there's something here I'm just going to move and check here as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is keep your tongue at the roof of your mouth. Keep your eyes closed. The machine is going to move round. When I come inside, it's still going to move round. Stay still until I say you can move, okay?
And because Farah has radiography qualified as a nurse, she can actually do this, you know, take the X-ray. Shows the X-ray as they're being taken.
Okay, stay still for me, it's still going round. Okay, perfect. If you just step back for me slowly when the head things come up, you're going to open and just stand back for me. Step back, it's okay, it's done.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yay!
That was scary.
At least you didn't. At least you didn't have anything inside your mouth.
Show my teeth, Noora.
Are they showing
They look like, so when I die, my mouth gonna look like that.
See, now we have a whole map of your teeth. That's a really nice
That's
X-ray
it.
for her. Hold on.
Hi Khalko. I'm here in Bradford and I post so many Bradford vlogs, so I don't need to post too many. Here again, I'm in my favorite restaurant, Regal, and look at that, this monster. Look at that monster. She just want to look to me. She want to eat me. She said, this is my sumo. This is my sumo. No. 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 She said, this is my sumo. She's such a good girl, and her mother says she's naughty. That's a big lie. This is a big lie. Is it? Bobo? Okay, so yeah, from my appointment, my hair appointment, I got lush hair. So I cut up to here, bob cut. I get rid of all the bleach hair. It look really nice, isn't it? Enough? Really? Yeah. It look amazing. Trust me, it looks so beautiful. So I got that bob.
They look amazing.
And I get rid of all the blondie color, and I got just black color now. And where I'm going today, Sumo? It is. Where I'm going today, Sumo?
You're going to Barbados.
I'm going to Barbados to do my skin peel. So the people who say no, you go filter on, and like I post I exercise, I usually do my exercise. So a couple of comments come, oh no, you put filter on. I even don't know the filter was on. And then a couple of comments come that no, you did a Botox. So you know, I don't even care. Yes, I did a Botox, which I never. And I explain so many times, the people who does Botox, they can't do that. They can't do that. They are.
You know, they can't even drink.
They can't even. They just like that.
They have to drink through
And
a straw.
if I did a Botox, why you so care? So I don't care. I'm beautiful, and people are jealous.
Why you with that
And I really
filler
enjoy
thing?
that. When people say to me, you did a Botox, you did a filler, I really enjoy that, because I think deep down here, I say I look beautiful. That's why people think that about me.
You're naturally pretty.
So wahi baat, jalo maro, jalo maro maro. That's all I'm gonna say from now on. Jalo maro maro. Yes. Sumaya,
Yeah.
my face look like that I did a Botox or filler?
I didn't.
If I want to do Botox, I want to do it in my neck, because since I lost weight, my chin was that big. Now I lost weight, so my neck is here a little bit loose.
It's not that bad. It's just a little.
But if I want to do something, I can do it with that. That's it. My face is beautiful. I don't need anything. Alhamdulillah. My mother died age of 72, and
she looks stunning.
she looks stunning. Maybe she just got a couple of crow's feet. That's it. Is
No, I
it?
got that. I had that when I was
You
young.
had that when you were only 12.
Yeah. I had
My
that
daughter
ages
literally
ago.
say, we want to look like you in your age.
Exactly. You do.
अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ, अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ, अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ. Oh guys, yes, Sumaya start YouTube channel about Aya's Eat. So it's all the recipe a mother needs for a newborn baby. No newborn, like 3 months, 3 to 4 to 2-year-old. And then until then they start a proper food. So Sumaya will show you loads of recipe, inshallah. And Sumaya children always so healthy, so chubby, so active. So mashallah, Sumaya give them good food, and she never buy them food from outside. She always make food in the house. So she will teach you how to make recipe, as well as the how to deal with the behave, eating habit, sleeping habit, because she's a good mother. So subscribe her channel, Aya's Eat, AYAH Eats, and we need to viral that video, okay? Yeah. So this is Mama request. Go subscribe now that channel and watch her videos, because this is something can make her happy. So yeah, that was another news. And another news, Anha. Yeah, this is Anha, Sumaya and Nafia take over Anha, and it's such a beautiful design, very reasonable price. And you know, if there's any complaint, they will sort it out for you. They will never say no to you. So go and have a look their design on Anha. Very beautiful design, प्लस साइज। तो अगर आप स्किनी हो तो मत आओ, ओनली मोटे हमारी तरह आओ। एंड one girl commented and she said that, oh, you lot eat so much.
Yeah,
Yes,
we do, bro.
we eat and we love it.
What?
You know, you can't eat, it's your problem.
Yeah.
We love food. We here in this world for a couple of years.
Exactly.
Let us enjoy.
Why should
We
we
want to eat, and when we die, we want to die fat.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Fat and proud.
yeah, we fat and we proud and we love ourselves and we think we are the most beautiful woman. So yes, we eat and we love it. And if you don't want to eat, it's up to you. Everyone choose their own way of life, okay, to live their own way.
Exactly.
Yes, with eating we are still fit, alhamdulillah.
Yeah. There's no health issue.
We haven't got any health issue, and
We're not
even the health
diabetic.
issue I got, that's nothing to do with eating.
Yeah, exactly.
That's like, that's just illness. So what do you think? Skinny people don't have a health issue?
Of course they do.
Like my father-in-law, for God's sake, he was all his life he eat such a sensible food, so skinny. He had a heart attack. He got a bypass.
Yeah,
Mr. Khan, he's so skinny, he always look after his food.
got a heart attack.
He got a heart attack. So, it's not about eating. Yeah, if you want to control it, control it. If you don't, don't. But you don't need to put your nose in other people's business. Okay?
Exactly.
Yes. And when you go sad and when you leave negative comments on people's page, find something good which make you happy. Leaving bad comments will make you evil.
Which you are.
Okay, I think you got my point. Okay, I'm having nashta now and we eating again. We eating
Mama,
again.
you're so funny.
We eating again.
We eating again? You know what?
We eating again.
Really enjoy food. Lovely, lovely.
Because we enjoy our food. We enjoy Allah ni'mat.
And Mama will show you.
I'll show you what I'm eating, okay?
How she's eating and what she's eating.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll make another channel, Mama's Eat.
Mama
Mama Eats. And look what I eat. So this is a achar.
Yeah.
This is for you, okay? The one who say that we
Bad
eat.
comment.
This is for you. Go, run to the kitchen and eat. Oh, look at her. She said, what's wrong with my sumo? Why is sumo making these faces?
There's a booger there.
You got a boo-goo. Boo-goo, boo-goo. You got a boo-goo. Boo-goo.
Let me take that out.
चलो देखो, ये अचार है, चटनी है, पूड़ी है, कीमा पराठा है, हलवा है, चना है और देसी ऑमलेट है। और मेरी आया खा रही है, और जो कह रहे हैं कि हम ज़्यादा खाते हैं उनको कहो कि मुंह में तुम्हारा पानी आ रहे हैं और तुम भी चाहते हो कि ये सब खा लो, पर अल्लाह ने तेरी किस्मत में ये नहीं लिखा, ये अल्लाह ने हमारी किस्मत में लिखा है।